Welcome to Read Your Channel, the English Reading Rescuers Avenue of SDO Urdaneta City.
Hello dear pupils! Welcome to Read Your Channel. I am Teacher Rich, your reading rescuer of the day. Last time, you learned the sounds Z for buzz, Q for queen, and Ch for chart. Today, we are going to learn new sounds to help you in your reading journey. Are you ready? Let's start!
The first sound that we are going to learn today is sh. It's sh. 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 I hope you sounded right. Now, we are going to read words that begin with sh. The first one is sh. Ark. Shark. Sharks eat fish. Shark. The second is sheep. Sheep. The sheep eats grass. Sheep. The last one is short. Short. The little boy with a yellow shirt is short. Short. Now, let's read the words again. Shark, sheep, short. Nice! The next sound that we are going to learn today is th. Again, say th. 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 Very good. Now, let's read words that begin with th. The first one is thorn. Thorn. The rose has thorns. Thorn. The second one is thin. The girl is thin. Thin. The next one is three. Three. I have 3 apples. 3. Let's read again all the words that begin with th. Thorn, thin, 3. I hope you're doing great. The last sound that we are going to learn today is Again, say That's right. Now, let's read words with the sound Sing. The little girl loves to sing. Sing. Ring. My mom gave me a gold ring. Ring. Wing. The bird needs wings to fly. Wing. Again, let's read the words with the sound Sing, ring, wing. Excellent! This time, let us practice reading all the words that we learned today. Shark, sheep, short. Thorn, thin, 3. Sing, ring, wing. Very good, dear pupils.
So that ends our lesson today. I hope that you enjoyed reading with me. Again, I am your reading rescuer, Teacher Rich. See you again on another fun and exciting reading lessons only here at Read Cuber Channel.